This week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
There's a lot of different ways you can do beer butt chicken. This is the way I do it. As I like to say, it's gonna be pretty nasty. Take this butter and just lather it all over this chicken. Just get it in there. Obviously, I put some in the inside, peel this skin back, put butter in there. If it'll stay, it's a little slippery. And once I get all this butter in there, we're gonna put the rub that I got on it. Like I said, there's plenty of ways to do beer butt chicken. You can inject this thing, you can stuff garlic cloves in it. I don't think you can do it wrong if you don't do it in excess, but Max Speed Shop chicken rub, that's all I'm gonna do with it. I'm just gonna coat it real good, sort of pat it in there a little bit, and then turn it over. Try to get it all in the nooks and crannies and get it on there good. It's on top of that butter. All right, the next thing you're gonna do, you get you 2 beers. I prefer Busch Light. This actually comes with the Carolina Cooker Kamado Grill. Just pour that beer in there. What that's gonna do is once it gets hot, it's gonna boil that beer up into the top, into that chicken. Take that chicken and open it up, set it right on top, just like that. And in just a few minutes, when that grill's ready, all we gotta do is set it right on top of that. All we're gonna do now is take our chicken and set it right in the center. I have put a temp probe in it so I can keep track of it where I don't have to lift the lid. Let that thing rock till it gets right. Chicken is up to temperature, and man, don't that look good. Pull that out right there. Lay that over there, and I'm gonna pull it right off of that can. Oh, Lord. Let's see if it's, I mean, look at that bone right there. When the bone comes out and there ain't no meat on it, it's right. So Carolina Cooker not only sells stuff to cook on, they've got a great line of sauces. They got the mustard sauce and the other barbecue sauces and some hot sauce. And my favorite is the mustard sauce, if I can keep my piece of chicken in there. So get your little mustard sauce. Oh, stupid. That just tops that chicken right off. I mean, just put the cherry on top. Go to carolinacooker.com, get you one of these grills, and look up all the recipes they have, including this one. For more recipes like this, visit carolinacooker.com.